Hello guys, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a logo for your YouTube channel or for any other reason basically. So what you need to do is you need to open any browser, then go to the search box and type in Wix logo maker, and then you need to go to the first thing that appears on your search window, the logo maker. And just to clarify that this video isn't sponsored by Wix, so that's it. Yeah. So now what you need to do is you need to click on Start Now. Another window will be opened, and these are the logos that I've created. You may know this one. This is the logo for my channel. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a new logo. And you will have two options here. You can either hire a professional designer, but but for those of you who are new to YouTube, just like me, let's just click on create a logo yourself. Now what you need to do is you need to start designing your logo by what you want to appear, what text you want to appear on your logo. So I'll write the name of my channel, AD, let's just AD tutorials. Let's just keep it AD. Yeah. And the tagline, I'll keep it the YouTube tech channel. So I'll click on let's go, and I need to specify what my logo is for, so I will specify YouTube tech channel. If you can't find your preferred one, you can just simply write YouTube channel as well. But since mine is a tech channel and it appears over here, I'll just click on tech channel and next. Now it asks me how my logo should look like, so I want it to be dynamic, techy, creative, modern, and fresh. I'll click on next, and I need to select which logos I like best. So in this case I don't like either of them, so I'm just gonna click here. Then I'm gonna click here. I like this one. I think this one. None of them. No, you can select any one of them, but I'm just gonna click on other and then click on next. So it will take some time to analyze my answers, just 10 to 20 seconds. I'll just wait for it, and it gives me a ton of options, so I can either choose from these ones, or if I'm not satisfied with these ones, I can just keep on loading more and more of them. This is a good one. All of them are good ones. So I'll just select a random logo. So I like this one as well as this one. I think I'm gonna go this one. So in case you people don't like these colors, you can also scroll around here and find tons of colors. Also, there is a preview for how your logo will look like on a website, on your Instagram page, social media, etc. Yep, so it's quite good, this website, for merchandise, etc. So I'm just gonna show you, you can change the colors, play around with them. So this is a good one, this is a good one as well. So I like this one. Now, in case you want to change your text, you can go to this and just customize your tagline as well as your channel name. You can also customize the icon, the shapes that you have here. This is the only shape that is here. I can also customize the background color. Say I want it to be neon green. I'll just keep it over here and select this. I don't know why I'm, and I can just select this. This one, as well as this one. I think black's a bit common, so I'm just gonna go for purple for now. And then after you've made your changes, you can either go back to try another design, or you can just move to next if you're happy with it. So I'll move to next, and now you can get your logo. Now if you want a free sample, you can just click here. It starts downloading. And you're all set. You can just open it, check. And as you can see, the logo is quite good. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.